In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on this Ram 1500. This happens to be the 3.6 liter V6 engine, so if you have the different engine, it may be similar. If you need parts for your vehicle, make sure you get those at 1aauto.com. Let's get into it. On the side, you can see there's clips, one in the front, one in the back, and then two on these sides. Pop those off. You grab the cover, you slide it up and then back. You can grab the air filter, and it just slides up. Just using a vacuum, just vacuuming up some of the debris that's in there. Take the new air filter, line it up, just push it down. Take the cover. There's a couple tabs that you want to line up with the slots. And just clip it back in. And there you go. Well, I hope this video helped you out, and if you need parts for your vehicle, make sure you get those at 1aauto.com, and you can watch all those repair videos to help you with your installs. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.